carry out your experiments with truth. You know, this place reeks of a violent past.
Just convenient for the community. It is the only place we found on our way. And this is the second time we are in a biology lab today.
How are you keeping?
I'm alright. Pastafarian. Is that a new joke?
Not mine. And it's not a joke. It's a very serious religion that I follow. You know, I always knew monks are closest drinkers. But unfortunately, liver cirrhosis is going to give you away.
It has more to do with intoxication than with drinking. हम कल निकल रहे हैं
Why are you not taking medicines?
क्योंकि कोई विकल्प नहीं है. Every medicine has animal violence behind it.
But how does your boycotting them makes a difference?
तो फिर किसी भी बात से क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Exactly. See, it's pretty clear how inconsequential our actions are in the larger scheme of things.
I'm not convinced. Every molecule in this universe is affected by our actions. That is the truth. Or else nothing makes a sense. What is the meaning of our existence then? The hedonism and nihilism of your namesake Charvata.
So your world view provides you with meaning, purpose.
See, we are dualists. If you were to ask me life is temporary or perpetual, I would say both. Temporary for the body and permanent for the soul. Soul is shapeless, formless, immaterial. And it connects to the world through this body. And every minute action we take, even inaction, leaves behind a karmic record on the soul. And the purpose of our existence is enlightenment and liberation from the perpetual suffering of life and death.
Okay, so then why there is so much importance to not kill? I mean, if you kill an animal, it's probably going to come back, perhaps happier.
Freedom of choice and right of consent is the core of our worldview.
What about killing by consent?
How do you judge the validity of a consent?
What about the violence you are committing on yourself by not taking medicines? How is your choice a choice of sanity, and how is your choice not different from a suicide bomber who is so convinced about the fundamentalism of his political and religious thoughts?
Are you really making that analogy? क्या हुआ?
See, I'm not good at this, but I am going to try. There are a lot of people who love you, respects you, and need you, including myself. I know you are rational, open-minded person, so I can only suggest please take care of yourself.
I will.
I'll see you later.
थोड़ी देर बैठो.
No.